Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Missy B London. Welcome to my channel. Yes, I've got more stuff for being a As I Am super fan. I received this month, which is November or October, I don't remember, but yeah. Literally, I think it was in November that I got these stuff. I mean, in the lovely bag as usual. There you go. And sneak peek as into what is inside the bag. And let me give you some information about this range from As I Am. It's the Long and Luxe range. The ingredients include biotin, protein and caffeine, and some fruity ingredients as well. Let me just get into the fruity ingredients. Is pomegranate and passion fruit as well. And I discovered when I went to the first meetup another word that is used for protein. Yeah, because all these ones in this line, they have added protein in them. So if you don't like protein or protein sensitive, I will say look at the ingredients and maybe not use them. Or if you use them, same as me, I am a little bit protein sensitive, so I can't use everything in this bag, but I can use some of the stuff in this bag, like the shampoo, conditioner and the co-wash. Basically I can use them because I put them on my head and then I wash them out, so it doesn't settle on my hair for too long to actually, because when your hair is protein sensitive, it breaks easily, it doesn't like protein and all that stuff. So unless I might experiment, but I'm not quite sure, because I've got a few bits and pieces in here that I would like to use. I have tried the edge control in this line, and so far my hair is looking okay, the edge control, but I only use it like once and my edges is okay. But yeah, like I said, that word, the protein ingredient, how it's written, it is written as hydrolyzed lupin protein. It is a vegetable-based protein from the broad bean family. You know, the broad bean, broad bean family. That's where it comes from, or derives from, shall I say. And this Long and Luxe range, or Long and Luxe line, because it's plant-based, they can class it as vegan as well, because all the ingredients is plant-based and vegetable-based, so it is a vegan product. So if you know any vegan people, suggest this line to them, but let them know about the added protein in these products. Also, another ingredient in this product is keratin. I'm looking at my list, but I've got some little notes written on this thing here as well. It's keratin as well. And keratin, I don't use a lot of products with keratin in it as well. But like I said, I'll try out some of these things, because I've got this in my hand and randomly it is the strengthening shampoo. Strengthening and hydrating hair wash. Sometimes they really do word it differently, but I'll just call it a strengthening shampoo. There it is. I hope the camera has picked it up. It is a good size product, a good size bottle, shall I say, and I will be using it as a shampoo. Like I said, yeah, because all these products has the lupin protein in it. So yeah, like I said, I can use this and wash it out of my hair, so it doesn't stay on my scalp too long. The next thing is that I got is the conditioner. Yes, the lovely conditioner. So after you've washed your head, you can condition your head. The only sad thing about this line is that there's no deep conditioner, but I can always go back to my core collection and use the elation hydration, or hydration halation deep conditioner, or intensive conditioner. But yeah, this is the conditioner, strengthening and hydrating conditioning treatment with pomegranate and passion fruit. The next thing, this table, I should have brought it closer, innit? For real, I should have really brought it closer. It's the Grow Yogurt In other words, it is the leave-in conditioner. This I might not be able to use because, like I said, it's a product that will settle on my hair and my scalp, and if it's got enhanced protein in it, I'm not sure how my hair is really going to react to it. So it might be a thing that if I was to use it, it would be like on the day before I wash my hair again, not on the first day of your wash day process. It will be like on the first, it will be in the day before I wash my hair, or the same day before I wash my hair, something like that. That's the fact that it won't be on my scalp, on my hair too long, that it won't do too much damage. It shouldn't do any damage to my hair, but who knows, innit, for real. My hair likes to react differently sometimes to different ingredients sometimes, so yeah. The next thing is the Curl Enhancing Smoothie, a styling product again. Curl Defining Cream, a lovely cream. I apologize for not opening any of these products and showing you this, you know, showing you how it is, because like I said, if I'm not gonna use all the products in this line, I don't want to open it and then give it away to someone or put it in a giveaway. I'd rather just keep it sealed, and if I do want to use it, I will use it. But right now I'm not sure about using the, what is it called? The Curl Enhancing Smoothie. It is a good sized tub, as you can see as well. Lovely, lovely, lovely. And like I said, all the products in this line is infused with the hydrolyzed lupin protein. I've got my lovely book here as well. Can you see that? The ASIAM. What does it say? Educator's Manual. So if I can't read the ingredients on the bottles and products, it's zoomed in. It's not zoomed in, but it's more readable on the book, and it tells you how to use it, the ingredients, what you should use the product for. This book has 3 lines in it. It has the core collection, this collection, and the dry and itchy collection, which I should be getting next month as well. But yeah, this is very useful, thank goodness for that, because you guys know that I've got bad eyes. Even though I don't wear my glasses much in videos, because sometimes I don't need to do a lot of reading. But I do wear reading glasses. The next thing is the Grow Wash. Yeah, cleansing cream conditioner. You know how to use it's the co-wash, but they call it a Grow Wash. Let me see. Yeah. Camera. Do your thing. So if you don't want to use shampoo in your hair one day, you can just use this, because it has the cleansing properties and the conditioning properties in this product all in one, like I said. But like I said, it's a shame there's no deep conditioner, but I'm guessing you can't really have a deep conditioner with too much added protein in it. Well, actually you can, because there's other products that has protein in it. Yeah, but yeah, that is the Grow Wash, shall I say. This is the new, because like I said, I've got another one already. It's the Edge Control, but they call it Grow Edges Edge Controller. Let's put that back in there. Nice little tub. Wait, let me see. Yeah, there you go. It's got it. Like I said, I can't open it yet because I've got the other one. Actually, I should have put the other one to open. I must say these products smell nice as well. Yep, I had to stop and re-record again because my lovely camera likes to play about with me, and I was just chatting about the look at me, my gosh, about the Edge Control. I call it Edge Control, but it is called Grow Edges, and I suppose Grow Edges because the added protein in it. But like I said, it seemed to be, I would love a product to bring back this side, the damaged side, but it takes time. It's getting better from since last year. Yeah, last year. But yeah, I've noticed an improvement, like I said. But I need that magic, but such is life, innit? The last product, yeah, my hand is itching. The last product is the Long and, I'm not been saying Long and Luxe, but you know that I'm chatting about the Long and Luxe collection anyway. But yeah, the Long and Luxe scalp serum. Strengthens hair treatment, strengthening hair treatments. It comes in this lovely box. And the camera has picked it up, and luckily it has, because the bottle is a little bit smaller. But yeah, look at me. Come on, come on. Come on. Like I said, I can't open each product because if I'm not going to use it, I don't want to open it and lose its freshness and quality. Is this camera... As you can see, it comes in a dropper bottle top. This is the dropper bit. So if you are to use it, you just, you know, push this a couple of times, make sure there is product in it, and then you open it, and then you're supposed to put it on the certain areas that you want a little bit of help with, shall I say. But yeah, look at me using my hand as demonstration, you know, because it's a dropper. You just put the dropper here, put the dropper there if you need to, put the dropper here and all that thing. But yeah, that was the last product. Can you believe it? I thought this would be a short video. It's shorter than the other one, unless I ramble more about stuff. But like I said, I can only use a couple of things in this line. And if I am to use some of the styling products, which I have used the Grow Edges, but if I am to use the Smoothie and the Grow Yogurt, it will be like on a day before I wash my hair, or on that same day, just to see how it goes in my hair. And if my hair seems to be okay, then yeah. But yeah, I think at the end of this now, what is your hair type? Let me know. Are you high porosity hair or low porosity hair? I never really talk about my porosity hair unless I'm doing voiceovers, but I've got low porosity hair, type 4B/C. I used to say I was a C, but I think because I've got different textures, like coiliness, thickness is in the middle of my hair, the edges is a little bit thinner, and I can see, you know, is different, so to say. So B/C, type 4B/C. What else can I say? It's in the twist out. This twist out lasted for a good amount of time. I used the Core collection. I used the detangling conditioner, the Cocoa Shea Spray, and the, oh gosh, Twist Defining Cream. Yeah, Twist Defining Cream. I put the pictures so you can see what kind of thing it is. But yeah, look at this, my hair. Oh, it's been up for a while. Yeah, the shrinkage hit it a little bit because it's a little bit cold outside as well. But yeah, it's still good. But yeah, what is your favourite hair products to use? Let me know about your favourite deep conditioners. Yeah, I am chatting about another brand here, but let me know about your favourite deep conditioners and everything. My favourite, I'll let you know in another video, won't I? What else can I say? Like I said, I can't use everything in this line. Or maybe I'm just saying I'm high sensitive, you know, to protein and all that stuff because I'm not quite sure myself. But I don't want to risk it too much. But I can experiment to a certain extent. So, but yeah, I think that's it. Look at me. Usually I'll be chatting about whatever, but now I think it's been a long day and everything. I think I just want to go. Oh my days, for real. I'm just messing around with my hair. I need to like comb it out and start to do some hairstyle videos as well. But it's like, I don't want to lose this. Look at it. This was a good twist out. For real. Oh, but it has to be combed out. Such a shame. Anyway. And have you used the ASIAM, any ASIAM products? What has been your favourite ASIAM product? Let me know. Look at me, I'm asking you that now at the end, but not at the beginning. I'll leave some titles and questions, insert this and that if I can as well. But yeah, thank you for watching. If you made it this far, thank you. If you're new, press the subscribe. If you would like to, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon next to it as well, so you can be updated when I, you know, upload new videos and all that thing. And if you're returning, thank you for your support as well. Can you believe we're getting close to the end of the year now? My gosh, blink, I'm in December. Look at me, I can't even talk good right now, because right now I'm in November. December is just round the corner. I mean, literally, can you believe that? I got to start writing hair goals and targets and all that thing. You know what? All I want is just healthy hair, legit. And with healthy hair comes growth. So yes, that is my motto. With healthy hair comes growth. But thank you for watching. Look at me doing the wave. Why? I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.